wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 10 best tumbling mats. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Made with closed-cell foam, the Z Athletic Folding provides enough strength and comfort for martial arts, gymnastics and other high-impact activities like wrestling. It allows for both end-to-end and side-to-side connections and can be unfolded easily. It's durable and long-lasting and cleans simply with soap and water. However, it emits a slight chemical odor. At number 9, you can land on air with the happybuy trak, an inflatable option that arrives with everything you need to get started, including an electric pump. Often in lengths all the way up to 30 feet, it can provide all the support and space that gymnasts require. It's heat-sealed to keep the air in and comes in several colors with a handy carrying bag. Coming in at number 8 on our list, with the Zeyu Sports Children, you get not only a colorful folding mat, but peace of mind as well. This 2-inch thick model protects against bumps and falls and is made from flame-retardant materials that are both safe and eco-friendly. The covering is non-absorbent and it weighs only about 8 pounds. However, note that it is too small for older kids. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for tumbling mats, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the prosourcefit trifold is a bit thinner than a lot of other options, which makes it that much easier to squirrel away into a tight space when not in use. It's ideal for protecting your elbows and back while doing at-home core workouts like planks and crunches. It's affordably priced and keeps its shape over time, but it feels too firm for some. Moving up our list to number 6, the Polar Aurora Thick provides a secure, comfortable area for high-impact exercises. The surface is resistant to mildew, making it simple to clean and care for, and if you need to remove the cover, you'll find that it's conveniently zipped on. It's less expensive than similar choices and offers effortless portability. However, the outer material can't take hard abuse. Halfway up our list at number 5. The compression-resistant EPP foam of the lesmile PU has a non-skid covering, so you or your children have the best chance of coming away from practice unscathed. If you're looking for use ideas, it also happens to come with exercise instructions. You can choose between black and blue, and it works for yoga too. It's easy to clean with a damp cloth. At number 4, the best choice products 4-panel is a 10 by 4 foot model that attaches to other mats via Velcro straps found on both ends, allowing you to make a longer tumbling track or a larger play area for rambunctious youngsters. It folds into a quarter of its size and the surface is made of PU leather, though the seams could be stronger. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, unlike some, the Titan Gymnastics has amply sized non-slip pads on the back, giving it plenty of stability and preventing it from sliding. When practice is over, you can fold it into a quarter of its size for transport and storage. It feels sturdy at 24 pounds and measures 2 inches thick. It absorbs impacts very well. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for tumbling mats, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the We Sell Mats Cheese Wedge offers a commercial-grade construction that can stand up to rough treatment, making it a good choice for gyms, play centers, and schools. It should soften up a little after repeated use, so tumbling will be even more comfortable. This one's available in several sizes, all made with a rip-resistant vinyl surface and dual carrying handles. And taking the top spot on our list, unlike many other options, the rugged tumbl trak panel contains cross-linked polyethylene foam, which is a good choice because it's neither too firm nor too soft. It complements the 18-ounce knife-coated vinyl covering nicely. It's guaranteed to be lead-free and available in several attractive designs. It comes from a trusted name in gymnastics supplies. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for tumbling mats, or simply click beneath this video.